Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English with William. I'm William, and today I'm here again with my good friend Emily.
Hi guys, it's so nice to be back. Today we're going to help you practice daily English, the kind of English you can use every day in real life.
That's right, we'll talk like friends having a natural conversation. You can listen, repeat, and even practice with us.
So, William, how's your day going so far?
Pretty good, thanks. I had a cup of coffee this morning, did some reading, and came straight here to record this episode. What about you?
I woke up early today, went for a short walk, and then had breakfast. I feel fresh and ready for the day.
That sounds great. By the way, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually have eggs and toast with some fruit. It's simple but healthy. What about you?
I'm more of a cereal person. Sometimes I eat oatmeal with milk. Gives me energy for the whole morning.
That's a good choice. You know, small talk like this is really helpful for English learners. These are things people say every day.
Exactly. Even a short chat about food or weather helps you sound more natural. Speaking of weather, how's it today?
Oh, it's sunny but not too hot. I love this kind of weather. It makes me want to go outside and enjoy the day.
Same here. I like sitting outside with a book or listening to music. It's relaxing.
Yeah, me too. So, what kind of music do you like listening to?
I like pop and a bit of jazz. It depends on my mood. What about you?
I usually listen to soft pop or acoustic songs. They help me stay calm when I work.
Nice. That's actually a good way to practice English too, by listening to English songs.
Oh yes, you can learn new words, pronunciation, and expressions from songs. And it's fun.
Definitely. And another good daily habit is talking to yourself in English. For example, when you're cooking, you can say what you're doing. I'm cutting the vegetables, or I'm making tea.
That's a great idea. It helps you think in English instead of translating from your language.
Right? And even if you make mistakes, that's okay. The goal is to keep speaking and get comfortable.
Yes, confidence is more important than perfection. The more you speak, the better you'll get.
I agree. And if you can, try to have short English conversations every day and with friends, classmates, or even online.
Exactly. It doesn't have to be long. Just a few minutes of real conversation can really help.
So let's give our viewers a little practice idea. Emily, let's do a mini role play. Like two friends meeting at a cafe.
Great idea. Okay, let's start.
Hi Emily, long time no see. How have you been?
Hey, William. I've been good, just busy with work. How about you?
Same here. I've been working a lot, but I'm happy to finally relax today.
That's nice. What would you like to drink? Coffee or tea?
I'll take a cappuccino, please. What about you?
I'll have iced tea. It's too warm for hot drinks today.
True. So what are your plans for the weekend?
I might go hiking with some friends. You?
I'm planning to stay home and watch a movie. I need some quiet time.
Sounds perfect. Sometimes staying home is the best plan.
Haha, yes, I agree.
And that's a great example of a natural daily conversation. You can practice something like this with your friends or even by yourself.
Exactly. Remember, practice a little bit every day. Speak, listen, and repeat. That's how you'll start sounding more natural.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake helps you learn something new.
Well said, Emily. All right, everyone. That's all for today's episode.
Thanks for joining us. We hope you enjoyed this daily English conversation practice.
If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and keep learning English with me, William.
See you next time, friends. Bye.
Bye-bye.